Imagine a world where your smartphone never needs charging, and drones can fly indefinitely. This is not science fiction, it's the promise of Betavolt's groundbreaking nuclear battery. Betavolt, a Beijing-based startup, has unveiled a nuclear battery that delivers continuous electricity for up to 50 years without recharging or maintenance. By miniaturizing atomic energy, Betavolt integrated the isotope nickel-63 into a module smaller than a coin, revolutionizing energy storage technology. This compact design opens doors to powering smartphones, drones, and even medical devices, ensuring long-lasting energy solutions. Betavolt's nuclear battery, the first of its kind, is now in the pilot testing phase and is set for mass production, marking a significant milestone. The battery operates by harnessing energy from the decay of nickel-63, a concept initially explored in the 20th century but now perfected by Betavolt. Engineered for safety, the battery can withstand sudden force without catching fire or exploding and operates efficiently in extreme temperatures. Betavolt emphasizes the environmental friendliness of their technology, as the isotope decays into a stable, non-radioactive copper, posing no threat to the environment. As China leads this transformative technology, the global community eagerly anticipates the commercial availability of these atomic energy batteries. Betavolt's innovation promises a future of sustainable and long-lasting power solutions, redefining the standards of energy storage.